Hey, have you always wanted a pompadour but your hair never agreed with you? Do you have super crazy curly hair that you can never seem to comb properly? Well, rest easy, because I'm about to tell you and show you how to make the best looking puffy pompadour you've ever seen. First, if you have curly, unmanageable hair, use a straightener to, you guessed it, straighten your hair, or at least make it less curly. Try to do this for at least a few minutes, and as soon as you're done, begin to comb your hair back. Grab the front portion of your hair and begin to straighten it. And then, as soon as that's finished, use your comb or a brush to brush your hair back. That way it can begin to have the right form. Next, take some gel, or perhaps even a lot of gel, and put it only in the front of your hair. As soon as the gel has been applied to your hair, immediately begin combing or brushing the front of your hair back, like so. Now use the remaining gel in your hands to form or shape the pompadour, and also get rid of any loose strands of hair that are remaining. Allow your hair to dry for a minute, and then to finish it off, use hairspray. This will ensure that you have amazing looking hair for the entire day without it getting loose or falling apart. And that's all there is to it. The pompadour is one of the most stylish hairdos ever. You can use it to look good at parties and to look like $1,000,000. I hope this advice has been very useful to you in order for you to have the perfect pompadour and to look amazing all day.